Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Bono Hair channel. We're here to show you a simple, effective way to clean skin-based hair systems, ensuring client satisfaction and longevity. Let's dive in. First, lay the system base side up. Spray the skin-base suitable adhesive remover evenly across the entire base, ensuring all residue is saturated. Wait a few minutes. Next, use a clean, soft towel. Wipe the skin base from the outer edges inward, preventing adhesive from spreading. Continue until most residue is removed. If your client uses adhesive tapes, now is the time to gently peel off any remaining tape strips from the skin base. The adhesive remover will have loosened them, making this step much easier. For a spotless base, spray a light layer of adhesive remover or rubbing alcohol. Wipe again with a fresh towel until the base is smooth and residue-free. Now, gently wet the hair system under warm water. Use high-quality and professional hair system shampoo to wash it clean. If adhesive gets into the hair, here's a pro tip. Spray a soft bristled toothbrush with remover. Gently brush affected sections to break down adhesive without damage. Rinse thoroughly with cool water, then shampoo lightly. And there you have it, a clean skin-based system ready for reapplication. Remember, consistent cleaning ensures quality and longevity. For questions or guidance, contact your Bono Hair representative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.